Okay, taking the control panel off. Obviously, take the 4 screws off. Already did that. Pull it out. Okay, start at the top one. Pull that off. Then you go over here. It's F. The main one, there's a clip. Pull it off. Just go right on down the line. Here's another clip. Pull it off. Now you can flip it up, or just flip it all the way. Let's flip it all the way around. Let's go down on this side. This one can stay on for now. You have another one right here. You clip and pull off. Then let's go over here. You have 2 blue ones. Just shake it and pull. Shake. You got to kind of shake it hard and pull. Black and red. Shake and pull. Red. Shake and pull. Now this one right here will stay on the board. It stays on the board. You can pull it up and you'll weed it through all this wiring. Weed it through, weed it through, weed it through. And then you're going to have something that looks like this. Okay? That's the way the board's going to look when you're done. You can put that back on. Clip. Clip, just clip it on. Set the board aside. Okay, now, how would you put the board back on? Let's just do the reverse action. Go ahead and put the main one on up top. Make sure the clip goes on and make sure it snaps. Line them up, snapped. The next one is going to be the main one. Got 8 of them here. Now I flipped the board over next because there's only a few spots left. You can go, let's go with, there's 2 clips here. One right here. This one right here you'll see has all different kinds of colors. It does not have a black coating on it. That one goes right here. And then you have another spot right here. There's going to be, this is actually for your horizontal motor. You see how this has a black coating on it? It's different than the one that doesn't have any coating. This one has a black coating. So you can put it through there and set that one right here. So we have all the major clips on. Now we have to put these 4 on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can go with the blue. Blue's on the outside. Clip. Clip. Then you have 2 left. Okay, you have a red, which is going to go on this one right here. The black's going to go here. Red. Make sure you got them, have them on there good. There. You have the board complete now. You put it up, put your screws on, and it's ready to go. Okay, enjoy.